unlocking treasure, understanding, sitting on a gold mine. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that's as glittering as it sounds: sitting on a gold mine. This expression is not just about gold or mining. It's a metaphor used in various contexts. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning, origins, and how to use it in your daily conversations. So, let's unearth the treasure behind this phrase together. When someone says they're sitting on a gold mine, they're not talking about sitting on a pile of gold literally. This phrase metaphorically means that a person has access to something very valuable or has a resource that could yield significant benefits or profits. It can be a physical asset, like a piece of land with valuable resources, or something intangible, like a brilliant business idea or unique skill. The phrase, sitting on a gold mine, likely originates from the times of gold rushes and mining booms when discovering gold on your property could suddenly turn you into a millionaire overnight. It reflects the idea of having something of great value, sometimes without fully realizing its potential at first. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. Entrepreneurship. If someone has a unique business idea that hasn't been explored yet, they might be said to be sitting on a gold mine. 2. Real estate. Owning property in a rapidly developing area could be described as sitting on a gold mine due to its increasing value. 3. Skills and talents. If a person has a rare skill or talent that is in high demand, it can also be seen as sitting on a gold mine. To use sitting on a gold mine correctly, ensure the context involves something of great potential value. It's often used to express optimism or excitement about the future benefits of the current situation. For example, after realizing how popular her homemade sauces were at the local market, Maria knew she was sitting on a gold mine. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning of sitting on a gold mine. This phrase is a beautiful example of how English language creatively captures the idea of potential and value. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of English expressions and you feel like you've struck gold in learning. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more linguistic treasures with you. Remember, language learning is a journey full of discoveries. Keep digging, and you'll find your own gold mine of knowledge. See you in the next video.